Team Fullest, this is girl Amy. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my canal. First, I have to say excuse my voice because your girl is a little bit underneath the weather. So I just want to get that clear. Today, I'm here to do another unboxing. I went ahead and got a screen to connect to my laptop because sometimes when I'm editing videos and the laptop screen is so small, it really disturbed my eyes. I'm already someone who has the glasses on. I can't live without my glasses, and having to struggle to edit on a very small laptop screen, it's a bit very challenging. So I decided to invest on a bigger screen that I can connect my laptop to, and that way I can edit very nicely. I wouldn't have to struggle with my eyes looking at the screen. So I picked this screen from the Media Mark. If you live in the Netherlands, check out the Media Mark. And I went there and I was looking for something, and the guy recommended this to me. He was like, this is really nice, it's something that you will like, it's beautiful, he kind of like sell me the product, even though of course I went there to purchase something like this, but he kind of sell me the product. So I was like, okay, let's give it a try. So I pick it up, and here I'm just going through the menu, how to install it. It was quite simple, actually. It was quite very simple on how to install it. It was like 1 2 3 go, it was very simple. So I'm just here trying to install everything, and this is the screen. It's actually very beautiful. One thing I love about this screen is for the fact that you can lift it high, you can bring it down, you can bring it up. That's one of the things I love about it. And honestly, since I purchased this screen, it has been much more easier when it comes to editing videos. It's much more easy to edit. I love editing with it. At least I don't really have to struggle a lot with my eyes anymore. It makes editing process a lot more easy. So this is what the screen is looking like. It's so beautiful. This is the part that I love. The fact that you can rotate it, you can put it down, you can bring it up. Like, that's the part that I love about this screen. So I got this connector that you put on your Mac laptop, and then you put on the screen. You connect it to the screen so that everything you see, everything on your laptop connects to the screen, something like that. Like with this Mac thing, it's very expensive. This small little white thing cost me like $50, but anyway, it is what it is. So I got this cable, like ADMI cable, and the power connector cable. So now I'm just going to, and this is the white thing I'm talking about. So for now, this is like my setting. This is what I normally use for my videos, but now that's my setting. But now I'm going to put a much bigger screen, something where I can have access more, I can see more. It's more easy for my eyesight. I don't have to struggle, because I'm already struggling with my eyesight, and I didn't want something that's going to make it a little bit more worse than the way it is. I'm already having glasses on, so I don't want to strain myself more further than that. So I'm just trying to connect all the cables before ever putting it, and connect everything together. It was quite easy, actually. Like, I'm quite good with stuff like this, especially when I'm interested in it. I'm quite good with fixing stuff like this, but this is not something, it wasn't something very difficult, and it was quite easy. So I'm trying to like find the right position. Okay, so now I'm just like kind of just playing around with it, trying to see what is the right position and how to fix it. One thing I love about this table, like, it has this thing underneath where you can hide all the cables, because I just don't like having to see all the cables lying down. And I love the fact that you can just wrap everything and hide it underneath there. Like, that's one thing I love about this cable. I love this cable. I love this table, sorry. I love this table that you can just hide all the cables down there. So now I'm just going to try to set the 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 table. Just trying the first setting, I didn't like it, kind of pushed the laptop back, and now I connect everything together. I'm just trying to play with it to see how everything goes. And yeah, so far so good. I really like it. So this is my new setup, and I'm super happy. At least I can see myself on a bigger screen. I don't really have to struggle to look at the really small screen anymore, and I really loved it. So yeah, this is the unboxing and this is the finished result. And I just want to come and show you guys. I end up getting a new mic because this mic spoiled, so I end up getting a black one, which I think I've you guys have not seen that video. I will link it for you guys in the description box so you guys can check that video out. But this is the new setting. This is how things are looking like. I really love it right now. Team Fullest, hope you all like this video. If you do, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment box. En I'll see you all in my next video. Heel erg bedankt voor je liefde en ondersteuning. Heb je vragen? Laat mij weten in de commentbox. Alle informatie die je nodig hebt staat in de beschrijvingbox. Like, I'm really loving this new setup. It's so beautiful. Peace out. Bye. Doei.